Well, hello, Merlins and Starlins. I'm the F-Bomb here in NicBroInc, and welcome to a Monroe Airsoft video. Now, we played Airsoft on the 16th of July, and it was a little different. Let me show you a little bit of what was going on. Now, amongst all the dirt and the leaves and the trees of the forest, this time, our friends got together and they built some stuff out of wood and cardboard. So we had, some defenses here and there, but we also had, and I had helped in this, a beautiful little church right in the middle, which you'll see plenty of footage of. Now, the first game we played was Team Deathmatch. We had 13 people playing. We split that into two and put them on both sides of the map, and we went at it for 15 minutes. There were also rules about medics, and what would happen is if you didn't get revived by a medic within 30 seconds, then you had to run back to the spawn and then just come right back in. Now, where you are for this is in the front of my gun, so enjoy that view.
It's the middle button. I haven't used this in 3 years.
Okay. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
I swear, I better not hear Big Daddy in the first 5 minutes.
You're our Big Daddy.
I know it.
You're our Big Daddy, man.
I might be point man and be rushing in.
I don't have lips, so...
Alright,
we're good!
So I might be rushing in, so you'll probably hear Big Daddy with him like, oh!
You don't want to go in first, bro.
I'm running straight to cover.
Allah Akbar.
Alright.
Go?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I shot at Nick and he's not playing.
Nice guy.
Yeah, that's what I was shooting at.
Sorry.
30 seconds, you gotta call him.
You wanna get him? I'll move up to you. Oh, give me
I can't see him. Here upon the Church of Cool, Gold Team wins round 1. Woo! But Josh was the only one that got hit on the team.
Yeah.
There you go, Josh.
Off of the shit out of him.
Ah, shit. That ain't mine. I love you, Lewis.
Watch your right.
this one too. Damn it. Ah! They've got me pinned!
5-minute warning.
Wait. There we go. My mag needs to be wound up.
Is that a gentleman's like? Yeah, you should be sitting down. Sit right there. Okay.
Sounds right there.
Ow! Oh! Big Daddy!
Fixing down. Edgar's like, oh. You got it.